Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain LEADERBOARD by IBD app review to see with what's using. So to get started with a quick in-depth review about this mobile app. So to get started, LEADERBOARD by IBD is a stock research app designed for active investors using the IBD can slim strategy. It offers a curated list of top growth stocks with buy and sell signal, automated chart and expert analysis to help you make fast and more informed trading decisions. The app is well suited for those who follow momentum-based strategies and want a real-time guidance on when to enter or exit a position. But it's not perfect. The subscription is pricey and some users feel the recommendation can be hit or miss, especially in choppy market. Hodder mentions occasional app glitches and says the aggressive trading styles may not suit long-time investors. So while LEADERBOARD is a solid choice for experienced trader looking for high growth pick, it may not be the best fit for beginners or anyone taking a more relaxed hand-off approach. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.